Hey guys, we're back with another vlog, and for today's video, I'm really excited to share with you an email that I received from YesStyle yesterday because this contains good news, and this is good news not only for me but also to my co-YesStyle influencers and to you who also aspire to earn money while posting contents. So basically, it just states here that YesStyle influencers can now cash out their commission just by accumulating a total of $20. This is a massive drop down because previously, if you watch my previous videos, I said there that as per YesStyle's policies, you must or an influencer must accumulate $200 first before they're able to cash out their commission through PayPal. Plus, before you only have 3 months to accumulate commission or use it for shopping, or else your commission will be forfeited. But now all your commissions have a longer expiry date, which is 6 months. Another good news is that before, they charge a handling fee of $5 when you process your commission, but now everything is free. That's cool, right? YesStyle keeps getting better each day, and honestly, joining YesStyle is one of the greatest decisions I've done in my life. So if you want to be a YesStyle influencer also, I have 2 videos here. You might want to watch this after watching my video right now. And don't worry because the links are in the description below. So let me take you as I process my commission, and let's go and let's get paid. So of course, we have to go through the website of YesStyle first. It's yesstyle.com. Then after that, make sure that we are signed in. So I'm gonna sign in here. Now we will click this person icon on the upper right portion and click on my account. Now we will go through the my rewards, and as you can see here, we have the commission balance. So I have $31.76, and as I've said, I only need $20 minimum to cash out. So we will try to cash out right now. This is my first time actually. So it says here that you can turn your commission into cash. Cash out using PayPal USD. So cash amount US dollars. So I have $31.76. So I will leave $1.76. So let's just cash out 30. Let me type it in. Then we can click request cash out. Verify your email address, $30. So here's the email from YesStyle. So I'll just verify this. It says here that my email address has been verified. Please check your email updates for cash out requests. So I'll just go back to my account. So I received an email just now, and it says that they have received my request to cash out my commission. So I think this is really great because they will notify you if ever someone tries to cash out when they open your account. So it says here that they will process my request and they will be back 3 to 5 business days. So we will just wait if my request will be processed immediately, and I'll get back. Hey guys, so I just received an email from PayPal today, July 29, that I have received my commission already from YesStyle. So I'm gonna show you the email. So it states that I have received $30 from YesStyle, and we are now going to check it on the website because I think it's hard to convert US dollars to peso if you're going to use the actual PayPal app. So we're going to use it on the website. So as you can see, I have here a PayPal balance of $30 US. So what I'm going to do is manage currencies. So here I'm going to click my PayPal balance, and as you can see, I only have $30 US. So I will convert this to my primary currency, which is Philippine peso. 30 US dollars. So the computed amount is exactly 1,457.10. So I'll convert it now. You converted 30 US dollars. Done. So I already have 1,457.10 pesos. So we will try putting this directly on my Gcash. Cash in. And as you can see, my PayPal account is already linked. So I'll just click that. And they have a reminder here that the minimum amount for processing is 500 pesos. But I'm gonna go all in. 1,457.10. Next. So I will cash in that amount and will confirm. It's being processed, so it says here that I have to wait 24 hours for my transaction to be complete. So we will just wait. So it says here that I paid 1,457 to GXchange because I put it to Gcash. So we're just, oh, it's really quick. It says here that I have to wait 24 hours, but it's not until just now that I received 1,457.10. So PayPal also chat me on Messenger. So they gave me this transaction confirmation. So my total money in Gcash was increased, but I won't show you how much. But I just want to thank YesStyle for this amazing opportunity to earn while making content for you. So that will be all, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and share this video, and also comment down below if you have other concerns regarding cashing in your commissions from YesStyle. And I hope my co-influencers will enjoy this privilege from YesStyle that you'll be able to cash in your commissions or cash out, your commissions with just a very small amount. So that's all, candies. Bye!